Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on a Valentine's Day memory decks card, and I have absolutely no preconceived idea of what this is going to look like. So we're going to totally build it from scratch. I have card bases here that I'm just going to use for sizing purposes. I did not have a memory decks punch, so I went ahead and I just cut out a bunch of these from my Cricut. I had found a free file that you could download. So I cut a bunch of them out. So I just kind of used this. I'm going to use this as this for size today. I'm going through my stash. I'm going to try a no spend January. So I'm really looking forward to using up what I have. And I have a bunch of these really adorable 4x6 cards that I think I can use as a base for my memory decks card. So I think if I just use this as a guide, I think I'm just going to trim that up. And I think I'm going to keep the height. I don't mind if they're a little bit taller. Let me know if you guys mind that. I know mine come in all shapes and sizes, but I don't have a holder yet. I want to make one using a tutorial on YouTube. If you have watched a good one, let me know. Because I would just like to, you know, the ones where you start with a box and you have dowels. That's just kind of what I want to make. I can round these corners. Not quite the right size, but I think it'll be fine because I'll cover up that anyway. So I'm going to use this as my base, and I did for Christmas receive the memory decks punch, so I will be using that. I like this color here. I had made some embellishment clusters that I could use on there as well. That one's got that turquoise or aqua color in it, and this one does as well, so I'm just going to pull those out. I also received these really pretty they're a thick paper, but these really pretty roses that I thought would be pretty on here. They're a different shade, couple different shades of pink. I also received this really cute tulle paper clip and a swap, so I thought I could use something like that. So this is the only idea I have. I pulled out some ephemera pieces. I also pulled out some Valentine word pieces, and I have this Heart Day sticker sheet here as well. So I think I'm just gonna start laying something out. So I think I want to pop this up here. I'd like to add some dimension with ribbon as well, so I'll have to think about how I want to do that. But I've just got some foam tape here. And this is just foam tape from the Dollar Tree. Pop that on there. And I think I'll put this just up in the corner. And that's got some gold thread hanging from it. Okay, so I like how that looks. Let's see if we can add a couple paper flowers here, paper roses. That's cute too. Let me get my glue gun. And it doesn't reach, so let me just do this over here. Just want to do that. So I recently made these embellishment clusters, and I just talked in the video about, you'll see the video, it's coming out on Thursday. It's part of a collab that I'm doing called Smash Our Stash. But I just talked about how much easier they make crafting. Now, like, if I had to sit and put this together as I was making the memory decks card, I don't think I would have done it. I think that because I had it on hand, I was able to pop it on. This card is gonna literally take me just a matter of minutes, and that's awesome. So I really love that. Okay, so I have a little arrow chipboard piece here, but maybe I'll build it up a little bit. I have this pink tag that could go under it. Oh, I like this, like a little word phrase to go on it. Just put I heart you on top of there. There, that looks cute like that. Let's see if there's anything else on here that I would like to use. I don't have any black or white on this one. I could add a candy heart here. Maybe I'll pop this up over here. Just add some dimension over here, and then I will glue this down as well. So we'll see if that just sticks with the tape runner. If not, I will hot glue that on. Okay, this is again part of that 3-pack that came from Dollar Tree. I'll just need a little piece. That might actually even be too big. Okay, got that over there. That seems to be staying. I think I actually like that better. Do that, and then I can put a little strip of washi tape on there just to make sure that it stays down. Get underneath here. Okay. I think I'm going to add a few more gems. I have 3 different gems on the embellishment cluster there. Add one there, and I think up here. I almost want a 3rd flower there for some reason. That's standing out to me. Let me see if I have a small one. I do have that. And then that looks like it's covering up. Is that covering up too much of the word? I could kind of shove it in there. Could put it underneath here. I think I'll do that. I think I'll put it underneath. The 3, it just needed 3 instead of 2. I'll grab my glue gun. Guys, honestly, I cannot believe how quick this came together. I really had like I said, I had nothing in mind. And I think sometimes when you overthink it, they tend to take longer, but I love how that looks. Yeah, I think it's done. I'm going to, gosh, I hope I can punch. I didn't even think about adding that. Yep, it's going to be perfect. So, this is the first time I've used this. Just going to center it there. Punch it. Perfect. Guys, I love how that turned out. What a simple, fun project. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I'm hoping to get back to my regular schedule this week. Work is slowing down a little bit for me, and I miss you guys. I miss filming. So I'm glad that I could come on tonight, get this video up for you on Monday. Like I said, the collab that I'm doing is called Smash Our Stash. That'll come out on Thursday. I think it's going to be the 7th of each month. This month, the item to use up is washi tape. So if you have a lot of washi in your collection, it'll be a great video for you guys to see. You'll see what I did with my washi tape. And there's a ton of other really talented ladies on there that'll show you what they did with theirs. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.